earlier, the moment you decide on an outcome, okay, the phrasing and the creation of these patterns will become very easy. This will be the toughest time that you people will ever have doing this because you're just generating it from nothing, okay? All right, so we're going to do something really cool. We're going to have a hypno-gangbang. Who wants to be in the middle? Wow, look at those hands go up. All right. I love it.
If you insist.
Come, be in the middle. You actually have the easy part.
You do? Oh, good.
You
See,
do.
here I go.
See? I love having the easy part of the gangbang.
No?
Where are your questions?
My questions?
Yeah.
Right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. If you can read my bad handwriting.
I can't. Okay. Can you read her handwriting? Okay, cool. Good. So this is how it's going to work, okay? You guys are going to all install these hypnotic sayings into her. Okay? And how you're going to do it is everybody's going to come up and you're just going to keep walking around her and you're going to read off your questions, your statements, one after the next, after the next, after the next. Okay? And we're going to do it for about 3 minutes. Okay? Just keep reading them, just repetitively as you walk around. Okay? And you just have to soak them all in.
No pen required?
You don't need a pen. You can even close your eyes as they all get installed. Everybody understand?
Am I installing
Hers and yours.
Okay.
So like on one pass, do yours and then hers and go back and forth. Okay?
Do you want me to start?
Yeah, come on up. You're all doing it all together.
Oh, we're all doing
All together. I'm going to push these back a little bit. Because certain things I needed a bigger room for and I don't have it. So come on up and walk around her. The little gangbang princess. Woo!
You may be aware that we are a caring family.
Not yet.
Oh, sorry.
Just kidding. Get around her. Make a circle. Come on, Todd.
All at once.
You got to be close. Okay?
You could walk out of here wanting to buy a car, right?
Whatever it is. Okay? Whatever it is. Okay. So, just go around the circle, each one going. And I want each one to get louder than the person next to you. You got to be the loudest one. You got to get your message into her. So everybody's got to try it and outshout everyone else. Ready? Go. Louder. Louder.
Understand that you are aware that you'd like to improve the quality of your life and that you comprehend that fact. I notice that you recognize the importance of recovery and that you're aware and understand that life can't improve until you notice your limiting beliefs and behaviors. I notice that you're aware and realize that life has to improve. I understand that you're aware that you'd like to improve the quality of your life. And that
Louder.
you comprehend this fact. I notice that you recognize the importance of recovery and that you're aware and understand that life can improve. So you notice your limiting beliefs and behaviors. recognize the importance of recovery, and that you're aware and understand that life can improve. So you notice your limiting beliefs and behaviors.
Faster, faster. Do it faster. Get your message into her.
I notice that you recognize the importance of recovery, and that you're aware and understand that life is so you notice your limiting beliefs and behaviors. I understand that you
Really, really loud.
and then you comprehend this fact. I notice that you recognize the importance of recovery, and that you're aware and understand that life is so you notice your limiting beliefs and behaviors.
Time. 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 That's it. That's it. Wow, how do you feel? Dizzy. Okay. So now that you've had it all installed in you, how's that feeling?
I kept hearing the same words over and over again, the ones from the commands.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Okay. How many people think it was only installed in her? Okay. It was installed in all of you. Okay. How many people, when you went around, you heard somebody saying a question, and then when you came around, you heard another question, but you never really heard the same question twice? Okay.
I only heard myself.
You only heard yourself? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. I heard myself saying hers and one, but I only heard myself.
Okay. But you were reading hers. So how could you only hear yourself?
I don't think I've heard myself talking.
Okay. It all just got installed in you. You just installed the entire language pattern into all of you hypnotically. Okay? With like, I don't know, what is that, 300, 400 sentences in that amount of time that you all went around doing that? Okay, boom. It'll be like the most natural thing in the world that's going to happen. How come you did that, you did that? We've all gotten gang-banged. So, as you become aware of the compelling power behind the language and you rapidly understand that it becomes extremely hard to pay attention to anything else, it's like machine gun hypnotics.
Steve, you used, I'm sorry, can I interrupt real quick? You used the word earlier often, naturally.
Mm-hmm.
Is that something that we should be, is that one of the words we should incorporate?
Sure, you can use that. There's a lot of them. I mean, this is just a short list. Okay? And if you just use these, or like I said, 3 of them, and just get really good at using them in sentences, you'll be amazed at what happens. You'll be amazed at how people pay attention. Okay? That didn't before. Because they can't not pay attention when you do it.
Can you share what that is for them?
Oh, okay. Thanks, Todd. Sorry, I didn't mean to knock over the coffee. Anybody have any questions? All good? Everybody's got it? Everybody understands it all? That's it. Practice, practice, practice. It's the easiest stuff you will ever do. Okay? It's just those words, wherever they went. There they are. And just start riffing them, like in the car. You don't have to make sense. You know, just babble sentences with the words in them, And all of a sudden, you'll notice you'll get into conversations with people, and all of a sudden you'll just be using them. You know, you'll come up with your own pattern. You come up with your own tempo. All right, that goes along with it. It's a piece of cake. Piece of cake. So that's it. Get out. There's cards, because I'm giving you guys all a gift, a free 30-minute consultation for anybody hasn't had one. So just fill out a card and give it to Kelly. Everybody give Kelly a round of applause for coming in and working the camera and keeping the sound on. And everybody look at the camera and say, thanks, Vince. If you guys want to hang out, you can hang out in the salt room. And give me it.
Tell us about that workshop you have.
Yes, I'm waiting on that.
Yeah, what about your 3-day workshop?
With the
Bring it on.
It's going to be a 3-day workshop on exactly this stuff. This is like the first part, the first minute part. And it's going to go through all of the language patterns. Okay? It's going to be in June. The exact date I haven't figured out yet, or exactly where I'm going to have it yet. But I'm working on it.
Like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Hell no, like a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You know, why ruin a weekend? It'll probably be a weekend. Yeah, and you know, it may end up in total being 4 days, but because my friend Bucky is trying to get me to throw in fire walking too, so who knows? Who knows? Yeah. But yeah, if you're interested, just put it on the card, and as soon as I release the details, then I will let you know first. Okay? Cool. And if you want, you can hang out in the salt room, and I'll kick on the salt generator, which is really cool and a lot of fun. But you got to give me about 10 minutes to get the equipment out of the way, because it gets a little dusty with salt in here. Okay? Did you have fun? Good.
I'll tell you what, if you have the time, stick around for the salt, because it's really
Yeah, it's fun.